Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Marlo, Mansion Marlo, and today we're going to talk about these two giant bird of paradise plants. And I got them delivered about a week ago, and I'm going to tell you on how to take care of them. Very simple. Do not be intimidated by these two giant bird of paradise plants. So I had a party about a week ago, and that day I had them delivered, and absolutely all my guests love these giant bird of paradises. They absolutely loved them. Just sitting here, I just feel hugged by these plants. You know what I mean? It's very cozy, and that's why I'm making this video. So you should get some plants like this too. But I want to tell you a strategy on how to take care of these. Basically, I live in Las Vegas. It's very hard to take care of plants. So if I'm able to take care of them, I know you can too. So here in Las Vegas during the summertime, it's over 100 degrees. Therefore, I'm under a patio, so I water these about 3 times a week, about a half a gallon in each pot, 3 times a week. If you're somewhere else where it's a lot cooler, then it'll be like twice a week. Okay guys, and then also these leaves get nice and dusty, so you want to use some cold pressed neem oil with a cloth, right? And then you mix this in with some water. This makes 12 gallons, guys. It's very dirt cheap. And you put this on the leaves to dust them off and basically kill any pests that get on these plants as well. Very simple to take care of. I'm gonna show you a leaf back here that just opened up. It looks so cool. And I'll show you how this dusts off the stems and leaves, guys. But also sometimes these leaves, they die off, and basically you just cut the stem at a slant and it will just grow a new stem, guys, with a new leaf. It's so simple. We're gonna talk about how to get these delivered and how you can do it yourself to save money, guys. So let's go. All right, guys, check this out. So look how giant this leaf is. This is a fresh leaf. Look how shiny it is. I sprayed it with that neem oil. But basically what you do is every now and then when it gets dusty, you just take your neem oil, right? You put it in a container like a cat full with 4 cups of water, and you just spray. And you want to do this early in the morning or late at night when it's nice and cool. And then you just take your microfiber and wipe it down, guys. And also, neem oil is a natural pest killer. It comes from cold pressed seeds from a neem tree, and that's how you keep all these plants nice and dust free, guys. But pretty cool. I just like the harmonizing of these plants in my backyard. Keeps everybody in good spirits. But also I'm going to show you how you get these delivered. So guys, I was able to get these 2 plants from Home Depot, guys. So what I did was I rented one of their vans. And I like the van because everything is enclosed. You don't want to put these in the back of a pickup because all that wind obviously is going to tear those leaves, guys. So you don't want to put these in the back of a pickup. And what you're going to do is lay these 2 birds of paradise. You're going to lay them down. And all I did was lay them down. They just sat cozy in the back, and I drove the van all the way to my house. And I was able to pick them up on my own. I'm a 210-pound guy, but I was able to pick them up easily. If you're not as strong, what you can do is use a dolly and put them on a dolly and just roll them to your backyard, guys. But it's that easy, guys. I highly recommend. It just makes my backyard more harmonizing. You know, it just feels good back here. My birds love my backyard, guys. But there you go. I just want to share this video with you guys. If you like content like this, I will always have good stuff for you guys. So thank you. Goodbye.